And one moment of peace cannot give us that.
Where is he? Where is Gondor's finest? Where is my firstborn?
Father!
Ha ha! They say you vanquished the enemy almost single-handed.
They exaggerate. The victory belongs to Faramir also.
But for Faramir, the city would still be standing. Were you not entrusted to protect it?
They would have done, but our numbers were too few.
Oh, too few. You let the enemy walk in and take it on a whim. Always you cast our reflection on me.
That is not my intent.